Understanding how the Instagram algorithm and ranking work in 2023 is also relevant to get the most out of Instagram SEO. Algorithms are something that we get asked a lot by our clients, and that's great because being interested in how the Instagram algorithms work means that you are pursuing employer branding success on Instagram and you care for the value returned for your hard work and invested resources. More people working on employer branding should deeply care about Instagram algorithm. What Instagram algorithm evaluates first are what content is available in general. This is what all of us users on the platform are posting. And then how interested you as the user or your target audience member as an Instagram user might be in any of it. The Instagram algorithm has been set to collect a lot of data about each of us based on our behavior on the platform. And it constantly evaluates what we post, what we like, what we search for, whom we follow, whom we interact with, and what types of content we engage with to understand better what we might be interested in and see on our own feeds. There is just way too much content posted by accounts that we follow so that we would be able to see all of it. I know many of us users argue that we see the content we don't want to see, or that we want to see more posts from everyone we follow. The only way to change what the algorithm feeds us is to do manual work and engage with the content of those users you want to see more on your feed. If you don't see content that you like, it's because the Instagram algorithm has picked on your lack of showing you regularly like the content from those users and that you don't interact with those accounts. So change this and you will start seeing more content from those accounts. Did you know that the Instagram algorithm creates us kind of a tailored collection of posts? It assumes that we would most likely want to see based on how we used Instagram. So if you see a lot of dog content like I do, it's because you interact the most with dog content. I also get a lot of coaching content on my feed because that's what I post. I don't necessarily want to get coaching content that much, so I have interacted more with the content accounts that I prefer to see, and now I've seen a change in my feed. The key message here is that we can teach the Instagram algorithm to show us the content we like. And as an HR marketer or an employer brand marketer, you must engage and interact with those accounts who you wish to see more of your content. That's why only posting on Instagram is not enough. The other half is as important, and this is to interact and engage with accounts you want to see more of your posts and who engage with your posts. And the same goes for TikTok, LinkedIn, and Facebook if you use those in your talent marketing.